Hello, this is Abdul Sattar and welcome to the latest ASP.NET Core 5.0 tutorial series. In this series, we are going to build a web application using C# and Angular. We are going to cover basic to advanced level ASP.NET Core 5.0 and Angular 10 for this tutorial series, which will help you to learn backend as well as front-end development. You will learn how to perform CRUD operations with the real-world data-driven application. At the end of the course, you will be able to create your own full stack web application with some cool features. I'll perform everything step by step so that you will get a comfortable learning experience. Whether you are new to Microsoft technology or you have some basic knowledge in the .NET framework, you will be fine with this tutorial series. As I said before, the main purpose of this course is to build an enterprise web application from scratch. To achieve this, we are gonna use these technologies throughout the course. C# programming language for .NET applications. ASP.NET Core 5.0. This is the latest version of the .NET Core. I'll explain more details about the .NET Core 5.0 in the upcoming video. Then I'm gonna use Web API, SQLite for the database, Entity Framework for creating the database and making the query with link. I will also use the Signal R for real-time applications. Then for the front end, I'm gonna use Angular 10. We will learn the TypeScript to core Angular applications. And finally, Bootstrap for the beautiful user interface. And throughout the course, I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code. And you may know the Visual Studio Code is a cross-platform IDE developed by Microsoft. So you can use any operating system you like. For example, Windows, Mac, or Linux to code with me. I'll be using Windows, but will provide information for the other operating system as well. So some overview of what you are gonna learn from this series. You will learn full stack web development using Microsoft technologies and Angular, backend and front-end programming. For backend, C#.NET, and for front-end, I'm gonna use Angular. You learn how to build web API project with .NET CLI and Angular project with Angular CLI. We will also learn how to develop identity system, authentication, and authorization. So that will be for admin and non-admin users. I will also perform with CRUD operations for C# and Angular. We will also learn how to develop a real-time chat application using Signal R. And we will build a complete workable web application step by step. And finally, possibly you will get all source code what I am going to do in this series. So please see the description section of YouTube for the source code information. And the important thing, you must look at the description for each video of the necessary materials for that particular video. I might add some text or link or direction to get that materials. So please follow the direction in the description section when it comes to doing so. Thanks for joining this tutorial and please subscribe to the channel to get notifications about the latest videos.